So about 2 months ago, I made this jalapeno peach jam. It is so good. I'll show you how I did it. Slice up a ton of peppers, probably like 10 or 15, maybe 20 or 30 if you really want to go for it. And you're going to cook them down with peaches and onion and some sugar, a little star anise, salt, apple cider vinegar, some lemon. Let it get nice and thick, sort of like a chutney, and we're going to jar it up and let it cool down. This has been good in my fridge for 2 months. I'm not even kidding you. I'm just now getting to make some firewood and wanted some cheese and crackers off the tailgate. And sure enough, this pepper jam is as good or better than the day that I made it. Just slap it on a cracker with some cheddar cheese, a little bit of that ham, call it a day. I absolutely love preserving things. It's so cool that I'm eating these peppers from the garden months later.